Nurturing potential, shaping futures. Welcome to the Sanskriti School.
Sanskriti School is committed to empower talent and academic excellence. We believe in holistic development of each and every child. We train our students and refine their talents in the field of sports, music, dance, art and craft through different club activities. If I talk about academics from KG 1 to grade 1, we adopt playway method.
Here at the Sanskriti School, we conduct performance booster classes where our students are trained for advanced level like Olympiads and competitive exams.
Whereas if I talk about grade 7 onwards, we are training our students for math, science and social science in order to build the basic foundation for different competitive exam and different fields which they will be opting in the future.
The Performance Improvement Program is one of the out-of-the-box initiative that is taken by the Sanskriti School to enhance conceptual learning and foster student success.
We take security seriously here at the Sanskriti School. Our campus is under constant surveillance by our security team who utilize cutting-edge technology to maintain round-the-clock vigilance. Infirmary, safety and well-being are paramount at our school. Our preschool classrooms are a canvas of creativity carefully designed to ignite the imagination of our youngest star. At Sanskriti School, classrooms are filled with vibrant colors, child-friendly furniture, and an ambience that encourages exploration, with teachers acting as facilitators to ensure the holistic development of child. Our students are doing good in academics with the type of teaching learning atmosphere they are getting here in Sanskriti School. I hope that in the near future, the Sanskriti School will be one of the best schools in Bhopal, and my students will be able to showcase their talent in different fields. The Sanskriti School Bhopal strives to offer a holistic experience about a place where children can become the best version of themselves. Our scholastic record, innovative learning methods, and strong commitment to deliver quality education through integrity help us to reach new heights that few have managed in the field of education.